After you signed up, a chatbot asks you to share some information about your business. Don't worry, nothing personal. Name your project. Choose a cool symbol and find your brand color. In the market canvas will compose buyer profile where all information will be collected that you must know about potential customers. Segmentation criteria so you can divide them into groups that are easier to target. Jobs your customers want to get done, challenges and desired and required outcomes. Let's define personas who represent your potential customers. They can be defined as business roles like CEO, sales leader or personal roles like mother, impulsive buyer. To a better understanding of your target audience, divide them into smaller groups. Some useful template is prepared for you. To be unique in your market, you have to know what challenges your potential customers face using your alternatives. Those can be products or services that can serve as an alternative to your solution and may be used by your target audience. We differentiate alternatives based on how much effort does it take for your customers to solve a problem by using them. In the board you will add all your current market knowledge, third-party research data from your experience. Job describes the things your customers try to get done. What do they want to accomplish? How do they want to feel? How do they want to be perceived? Use labels to categorize the jobs based on business topics. List problems and obstacles your potential customers face in the market. What prevents them from accomplishing their goals? What do they desire? What is the ideal outcome they wish for? Collect desired outcomes using labels to differentiate them by business topics. What problems do those people face who didn't put too much effort to solve their challenges? What problems do those who put more or huge effort in it? What do they fear or doubt about new solution? What are they afraid of happening? What are the fears that hold them back from purchasing? And what is a must-have for them? What requirements does the product have to meet for them to make a purchase? Now you can head to Generate Survey to start validating your thoughts by potential customers. Give a cool name to your survey, use emojis to visualize the topic. The chat-based survey is generated automatically from the buyer profile. An user-friendly builder helps you customize it. Before you share it with the audience, you can test it in preview mode. If something is not as you want, just get back to the builder and modify it. To make it cool, Just use GIFs or images which are built in the builder. You will be able not just make a research, but you can collect leads easily. Offer a gift in return of answering the survey. If it's done, let's finalize it using chat avatar or change the survey look. Upload a cool or branded image for social sharing. And publish it. Your audience will enjoy the chat-based survey as you do too, especially the completion and lead rate. Now you can analyze the result of research. You see jobs, pains and gains in order of importance. Find the most critical segment of your audience using visual helps.